In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace a cam position sensor on a RAV4 located on the top of the valve cover. So I'm going to remove the engine cover just to show you that there is two cam position sensors. There is an intake and an exhaust. The intake has a black connector and the exhaust has a gray. I'm going to show you that the same procedure and torque specs. So you're going to push in on this tab right here and then pull up. I'm going to use a pair of pliers just to give it a little help. And there we go. There's your connector. 10mm socket. You can use a wrench if you want. I'm going to use a socket. And we're going to take that mounting bolt out. Set it aside. I like to take the sensor, just give it a little twist and pull up at the same time. Sometimes you can use a screwdriver or a pry bar if it's in there pretty well. You just don't want to break it, so just give it a wobble back and forth. There we go. Pull that sensor right out. So I'm going to take some clean oil and I'm going to add it to that O-ring just to make that install a little smoother. Make sure there's no debris or anything right there. Push that down. Line up that mounting bolt and it pops right in. Start it by hand. And then I'm just going to bottom it out before I torque it. And the torque on that is 7 foot-pounds, so our 10mm socket. Tightened up. Take our connector, bring it back down until you hear it click. You're going to line up all 3 pins with the 2 or 3 rubber bushings. One's missing on ours. And just push it down. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.